Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to extract specific field values from documents using the Cloudmersive Document AI API in Python. We'll begin by navigating to the Document AI Swagger page from the Cloudmersive website. Here, we'll find documentation and code examples for all the Document AI API's methods. The extract fields method is found under the extract path. When we open this drop-down window, we'll find a description of what this API does, which amounts to identifying and extracting specific field values from a document using AI. Things like invoice numbers, invoice dates, due dates, business card phone numbers, and so on. We simply tell the API which fields we're looking for, pass in a document, and then it returns the extracted values for each field we requested. We'll now demonstrate a quick implementation in Google Colab using the Python code examples provided in this window. First, we'll click on the Install SDK dropdown, copy the pip command we find here, and then run that command in our environment. While the SDK installs, we'll head back to the Swagger page, copy the remaining code examples, which include the imports we need right at the top, and then paste those in our environment too. All we need to do with this code is configure our API key and host, specify the fields we want to extract, pass in a file in one of the supported formats, and then parse the response. Just so you know, the supported formats include PDF, DocX, XLSX, PPTX, EML, MSG, JPEG, PNG, and WebP. We'll start with our configuration snippet. I have my Cloudmersive API key saved in Colab, so I'll import that now and paste in the code examples which set my API key at runtime. After that, I'll add one quick line to manually set the configuration host to api.cloudmersive.com, which is the default host for free tier subscriptions like mine. Now we'll set up our input parameters. The key one here is the field names variable, which is just a comma-separated string of whatever fields we want the API to find. For this example, I'm working with an invoice, so I'll ask for the invoice number, invoice date, due date, and the bill to name. Then I'll upload my PDF and hardcode the file name to the input file variable. We'll now run this code and take a look at the API response once it's printed to our terminal. In our terminal, we now have a set of extracted field values, one for each field we requested. The API correctly identified and pulled each value directly from the document without any manual parsing or rejects. Like the split method we covered in our previous video, what would normally require complex document parsing logic has been condensed into a single API call. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about implementing Document AI APIs after following along with this video, please don't hesitate to contact a member of our team.